If you have air molecules moving around inside a container and then suddenly shrink the size of that container, the air molecules speed up and start slamming into each other, which causes a rapid increase in temperature. This technique was used by the ancient South Asians to start fires. They made what was called a fire piston, which was a hollowed out piece of wood with a plunger. You'd slam the plunger down, and the rapid reduction in volume causes the air inside to shoot up and ignite a little bit of tinder inside the piston, which was then used to start a fire. Now, if we go back and look at the Titan implosion deep down at the bottom of the ocean, I talked about how much pressure it was under. When that occurred, when the Titan sub imploded, the compression of the air in there by the water for a brief moment raised the temperature up to almost the same as the surface of the sun. Very fast, very hot. Something to think about. Physics is pretty cool, nature is pretty cool, until you put it under pressure, then it gets really hot. All right, later.